The BT YouView box is a powerful digital TV recorder that allows you to capture and store your favorite television programs for later viewing. Understanding its capabilities is essential for getting the most out of your TV experience. The YouView box serves as your central hub for recording television content. It combines traditional TV recording with modern streaming capabilities, giving you complete control over when and how you watch your programs. In 2025, BT offers three main YouView models. The BT TV Box Pro is the flagship model, featuring 4K Ultra HD support and 1 TB of storage capacity. The BT TV Box Mini provides a compact streaming-focused solution with limited recording features. Legacy YouView Plus boxes are still supported, but are gradually being phased out. BT has significantly enhanced the YouView recording experience with modern features. Cloud recording integration allows you to record content remotely using the BT TV app. Enhanced catch-up integration works seamlessly with BBC iPlayer, ITV Hub, All4, and My5. Voice control lets you schedule recordings using voice commands, while mobile app integration provides complete remote management. Understanding storage capacity is crucial for effective recording management. The BT TV Box Pro offers 1 TB of storage, providing approximately 250 hours of HD content or 500 hours of standard definition. Standard models typically offer 500 GB capacity. Most YouView boxes support recording 2 channels simultaneously while watching a third. The system automatically deletes the oldest recordings when storage becomes full, unless you've protected specific recordings. The YouView box offers 3 primary recording methods to suit different viewing habits. Instant recording lets you capture programs as you watch them. Scheduled recording allows you to plan recordings in advance using the TV guide. Series recording automatically captures entire series, ensuring you never miss an episode. These methods provide complete flexibility for managing your TV viewing experience. Understanding these fundamental aspects of BT YouView box recording provides the foundation for effectively managing your TV content. With modern features like cloud integration and mobile app control, combined with substantial storage capacity and flexible recording methods, the YouView system offers a comprehensive solution for today's viewing needs. The first recording method is instant recording, which lets you quickly record what you're currently watching. This is perfect for capturing something interesting that just started. Step 1. While watching live TV, press the red record button on your remote. You'll see this button clearly marked with a red circle. Step 2. A menu will appear asking you to select the recording duration. You can choose from 30 minutes up to 3 hours, depending on how long you want to record. Step 3. Confirm your selection and the recording will begin immediately. You'll see a red recording indicator appear on your screen to show that recording is active. To stop recording, simply press the record button again, or let it automatically stop when the selected duration is reached. Method 2 is scheduled recording, which allows you to set up recordings in advance for programs that haven't started yet. This is ideal for planning your viewing. Step 1. Press the guide button on your remote to access the TV guide. This shows you all available programs across different channels and time slots. Step 2. Navigate through the guide using the arrow keys to find the program you want to record. You can browse by channel and time to locate your desired show. Step 3. When you find the program you want, press the record button. A menu will appear with several recording options to choose from. Step 4. Select your preferred option and confirm the recording. The program will now be scheduled and will automatically record at the specified time, even if your box is in standby mode. The third method is series link recording, which is perfect for recording entire TV series automatically. This ensures you never miss an episode of your favorite shows. Step 1. Find your desired program either through the TV guide or by using the search function. Look for shows that have multiple episodes or are part of a series. Step 2. Press the record button and select Record Series from the menu. This tells the system you want to record all episodes, not just a single show. Step 3. Choose your preferences. You can select whether to record all episodes or only new episodes, set how long to keep recordings, and adjust recording quality settings. Step 4. Confirm your settings and the series link will be activated. Your BT YouView box will now automatically record every new episode of that series, managing storage and scheduling for you. Additionally, you can manage all your recordings remotely using the BT TV app on your smartphone or tablet. This allows you to schedule recordings even when you're away from home. These 3 recording methods give you complete control over your viewing experience. Whether you need to quickly capture something live, plan ahead for upcoming shows, or automatically record entire series, your BT YouView box has you covered.